So in this video, I will share with you a step-by-step guidance so that you can start your English journey. But in this guidance video, in this, in this guide, I included my journey as well, like how I did start learning this language. What was the, the whole story behind my English and whole things that I am doing right now. So guys, stick with this video till the end. I promise to you that end of this video you will feel good. You will feel that something you acquired, you learned. Okay, so number one thing is that when I back then in 2024 I started learning this language. The reason was there, I will tell you. Before 2 years, 2 years before my starting journey, I started filling my brain through English content. I used to love, watch English content, or whenever I watch anybody who was speaking English, I was feeling so good. I was feeling like, wow, yaar, they are so good, and this person is good. Whomsoever was speaking English, I was, very fascinating about that. So first thing that I learned and I realized that if anybody want to do anything, we need to be passionate about that. We need to be, we need to fascinate about that. Let's suppose if you want to buy a car, first you need to be passionate about cars. So the same thing here. So first I was very passionate about this language. I was, whenever anybody was speaking English, I felt really good. I felt like, wow, yaar, these are the people that I also wanted to be like. I also want to be like these people. So I was that kind of person, and I started consuming content. Even 1 year back, I can say, I can say that, yeah, 1 year back, 1 year before when I started my journey. So in 2024, I started learning this language. The reason behind is that I was doing a job that time in 2023. I was doing a job as a teacher, as a science teacher in a private school. So I left that job and I went for an interview. I took this challenge, or I would, I gave myself the challenge, and I thought this time I need to take a risk. And that time I went for the first time. I did it for the first time. I went to a multinational company. Before that I never did any work to into any multinational company. So first time I went there, and the environment, the people, because I was fascinating. I was passionate to meet people. I was passionate to see people, how they look, whomsoever speak English, how they look. So I was very excited to go there. So I took that risk and I go there. I went there, and although I rejected, like they rejected me in the interview, but when I met the HR, and I met the entire HR team, they all were so cool. They all were speaking English, and they all were dressing sense and all sort of things. I was really feeling good. Yeah, these are the people that I also wanted to be like, these kind of people. I went there, I took a risk. So I just want to tell you guys, just go out and give interviews. No matter you fail or you select, just do it. So I went there, I got rejected, and that's why, like, that time I decided, I decided that no, Rahul, this is the time when you need to start your English journey. So first thing that now you need to understand is that we need to take a risk. We need to put ourselves in a place where everybody is like, or I are idol, or everybody is like the person that we want to be like. Okay, So go out, meet people, see people. If you can't meet, see people, you know, being along with them. And you will feel the energy. You will feel like, yeah, this is the life that I want to live. So I went there. So first thing, the first lesson is that go out, take risk. So, and the second one is how I started learning this language and how I was so consistent. The reason behind it, that we need to build a system. We need to build a system through which we can be more consistent. So I built the system, and the system was YouTube. Back then I also used to make content, so I was very, friendly with camera. I am, and I was at that time. So that's why, like, I thought like I should share my journey. That time I had just 150 subscribers, just 150 subscribers on my channel. Barely I get 100 views at that time. But my mind was clear that, yeah, YouTube is something that I can share and I can meet new people. So I started watching, I mean, I started making content, and I was just sharing. I decided that I will make one video every single day for the next 30 days. I was not thinking about views. I was not thinking about money. I was not thinking about other people. I was just sharing my thing. And I was not sharing those videos to my friends, my family. No, I was not sharing. I was just created the channel, and I started, posting. I started my random things. I was talking about uh, I was talking about my life. I was talking about books. I was talking about relationships. I was talking about or inner child, self love, or so many things. Whatsoever was coming in my mind, I was just sharing. So I built this system. You can also build. Now the alternatives are like, if you can't make content on YouTube, you need to hire a tutor. Yeah, you have to pay. You need to hire a tutor so that you will be, more engaged with that tutor. You can also get help from your friend. If your friend is speaking English, and anybody like me, for you right now, like me, I am the tutor, I am the friend that you can get help from. Contact me. So in this way, we need to build a system. We need to for the execution, we need to engage with people, with the system, so that we will be more consistent, because consistency is the most important thing in this learning journey. Or not even in only in this, in everything, I think consistency is the key to success. People say, I think, yeah, it's the truth. So I built the system, and after building the system, the thing is that I realized that, we need money as well. So if you're bachelor, or if you don't have money resources, or income resource, I would say, that time you need to start working. You can start doing any sort of jobs. I mean, wait, you can, sorry, you can start doing any sort of jobs in Hindi environment. I used to do Hindi, I mean, jobs where people were not speaking English. So you can do that kind of job and make money and invest that money into yourself. I mean, yeah. So when you wear good clothes, when you know uh, do skincare, when you put money on yourself, you will feel good. So initially, if you also, a thing that I want to share here, that if you just started doing job, you need to first invest money in yourself, in skills. Okay. So in this way, like, I started learning this language. Right now I'm doing multiple things, and I have multiple sources of income: job, YouTube, freelance work, and other things. But yeah, three things, three main thing that I also like, I'm giving guidance to people, mentorship, so that people so people can easily build the system. So if you are searching for a tutor or any kind of big brother or friend, with whom you can talk, you can share your journey, your problems, then I'm there for you. I'm available. You can contact me through Instagram, and there I can help you. Okay. So in this way, like, I've three, four things, my income sources. So I built this thing by YouTube, by learning skills. But English is something that really helped me to find good job and find more, not just a job. After learning English, my confidence is like very high right now, and I mean increased, I would say. So in this way you can start. Here I'm not telling you how, like, what sort of things that you need to learn, tenses, grammar. These all things are important. By the time you will learn, watch English content, start watching if you are watching me right now, you are on a right way, you are on a right path. Just keep doing it. Watch as much as you can. Yes, right now I'm telling you. But also, I think that I want to add here is that stop comparing yourself. Don't compare. If you are watching too much content and you start comparing yourself, stop watching. Shut down your phone. Just join your hand and just say that thank you God for this life, and I will learn. मैं सीख लूँगा, धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा, सीख लूँगा मैं. Just love yourself. खुद के साथ रहो. So यही था इस वीडियो में. स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइडेंस यही है कि सबसे पहले यू नीड टू फाइंड द पर्पस why you will learn this language, and second thing is that you need to build a system. When you build a system, that will help you to be stay consistent. And the another thing is, when you will be consistent, you will practice, you will learn new things every day, you will create yourself, or you will practice your English every day. So the consistency. And after that, some sort of also a thing that I wanted to share here is that you know if you're feeling right now, or you are on your English learning journey, and you are feeling being compared or being judged, and you are not feeling good, just go in front of a mirror and see your face there, and tell yourself that you are good enough, you are the best person in this whole world. Because bro, guys, I mean, I'm telling you guys, if we are not loving ourselves, if we are not with ourselves, we can't grow. So I genuinely, like, my childhood, like, was very different, and I would say, like, my father, my mother, my parents, they had faced so many things in my childhood. So 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 the childhood traumas are here, even now. So I'm just healing myself. So that's why, like, I genuinely, like, I totally, like, believe in these things, that our mindset is also important. We need to just keep changing our mindset, and we need to keep changing our character as well. Character means, like, all sort of negative emotions, or different emotions. We need to just keep changing and uplifting yourself, increase your vibration, body vibration. Hope you understand what I said. And if you are still watching this video, you are on a right way, guys. I think you need to connect with me. Come on my Instagram page and just follow me and DM me. I'll help you. Okay, by the way, thank you so much if you are watching me till now. And if you have any sort of doubts, you can comment here. I will help you. I will reply your comment. Okay, take care. Bye.